All right, now this problem is pretty similar to the last problem. We have a vehicle and the graph of its velocity is shown here. And it says 2 hours into the trip, how fast was the vehicle going? Well, this is showing velocity versus time, so this point right here is at the 2 hour mark of the trip. And so it looks like the vehicle was going 20 miles per hour. All right, mph, or miles per hour. Okay. Now, the second question is asking how far did the vehicle go during the whole trip? Okay. So again, I can just break this into rectangles and add them up. Now, I'm going to do it a little bit differently just because the other, since we have a grid on this thing, you can see that each one of these grid squares is 10 by 1. So this represents a distance of 10 miles, right? And I can do that for every single one of these little squares, right? Each one represents 10 miles. 10 miles, 10 miles, 10 miles, oops, 10 miles, 10, 10, 10. And then all I really need to do is count up the number of squares here and then multiply by 10. So what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 squares. Okay, so I can just take 13 times 10, so that tells us we went 130 miles. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a little bit different way of, of doing it. I could have just found the area of each rectangle and then done that as well, but since we have a grid, you can see every single grid square has a value of 10 miles. Just count them up and multiply by 10. All right, I'll see you in the next video.